Welcome to Auto Elite. Today we take you into a world where automotive luxury reaches an entirely new level. A vehicle that is not just transportation, but a statement of ultimate refinement and innovation. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach motorhome. This is more than a motorhome. It is a palace on wheels that blends the prestigious Maybach legacy with the practicality and comfort of a fully equipped motorhome, redefining what it means to travel in style. When you look at this masterpiece, you realize it is not simply about driving from one point to another. It is about living on the road without compromising a single ounce of sophistication. The exterior immediately tells you that this is no ordinary vehicle. The iconic Maybach grille sits proudly at the front, chromed and sculpted to command attention. The flowing lines of the body merge with a sleek aerodynamic design. And yet, despite its large footprint, the motorhome maintains the elegance we expect from Mercedes. Every detail is intentional, from the adaptive LED matrix headlights to the subtle Maybach badging, letting you know this is not a standard RV, but a true work of art. At over 35 feet in length, it presents a commanding presence on the road, yet the designers have managed to keep proportions balanced and graceful. The paint finish is done with multi-layered coats that shimmer in the sunlight, offering bespoke color options from classic obsidian black to dual-tone Maybach exclusive palettes. Step closer, and you notice the advanced technology seamlessly integrated into the design. Flush-mounted sensors for autonomous driving systems, cameras offering full 360-degree monitoring, and self-leveling hydraulic suspension that automatically adjusts when parked or driving on uneven roads. The doors feature soft, close functionality, and the main entrance uses a power-assisted mechanism that glides open to welcome you inside. The large panoramic windows are not only double-glazed for insulation, but also equipped with electrochromatic tinting, giving you privacy and comfort at the touch of a button. Once inside, you are greeted with an atmosphere that can only be described as a luxury penthouse suite on wheels. Maybach is known for its interiors, and in this motorhome, they have elevated the concept to an entirely new dimension. The floor is finished with handcrafted hardwood or marble inlays, depending on customer preference. The seating is wrapped in the finest Napa leather, available in a wide array of custom colors, with diamond quilted stitching and subtle Maybach insignias embroidered throughout. Ambient lighting flows across the cabin with a palette of over 64 million shades, allowing you to set the mood whether you want a calm evening glow or a vibrant social setting. The living area is expansive, designed to maximize comfort and usability. The sofas convert seamlessly into sleeping areas, but not in the ordinary fold-out fashion of standard motorhomes. Instead, Maybach engineers have created a mechanized system where the seats transform into full-size beds with memory foam mattresses, adjustable backrests, and integrated climate control. Opposite the lounge sits a massive 75-inch OLED smart television that retracts into a handcrafted cabinet when not in use, paired with a Burmester 4D surround sound system to deliver concert-level audio quality. Moving towards the kitchen area, you find a gourmet setup that rivals professional spaces. It features state-of-the-art induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator with dual zones, a built-in espresso machine, and even a compact wine cellar capable of storing up to 20 bottles at the perfect temperature. Countertops are crafted from polished stone, and storage is intelligently hidden within soft, closed drawers that maximize every inch of space without disrupting the clean, minimalistic aesthetic. The bathroom is another highlight, showcasing a spa-like experience with a rainfall shower, heated marble floors, a Japanese smart toilet, and backlit mirrors with touch controls. Every surface is designed for luxury and durability, resistant to moisture and easy to maintain. Even here, Maybach has incorporated advanced technology, such as water filtration and recycling systems that ensure long-distance travel without the worry of frequent refilling. When you enter the master bedroom, it becomes clear that this is a true Maybach creation. A king-size bed dominates the space, framed with ambient lighting and surrounded by hand-stitched leather panels. The bed itself is adjustable with massage and zero-gravity functions, ensuring maximum comfort. Opposite the bed, another large OLED display integrates seamlessly into the wall, providing entertainment at your command. A walk-in wardrobe provides ample space for designer clothing, shoes, and accessories, lined with cedar wood to maintain freshness during long journeys. Driving this colossal motorhome is an experience in itself. The cockpit is pure Mercedes, Maybach, blending cutting-edge technology with refined craftsmanship. The digital dashboard stretches across the driver's view with high-resolution displays providing navigation, vehicle status, and entertainment information. The steering wheel is wrapped in hand-stitched leather and features haptic feedback controls. Augmented reality head-up display projects navigation directly onto the road, making driving intuitive even in complex city environments. Semi-autonomous driving systems allow the vehicle to manage highways, parking, and traffic jams effortlessly, while the driver can take over with precision at any time. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach motorhome is powered by a hybrid V8 powertrain paired with electric motors, delivering seamless performance and impressive efficiency for a vehicle of this size. With over 650 horsepower combined, it can accelerate smoothly and maintain highway speeds with ease, while the electric system allows for silent operation in eco mode, perfect for late, night arrivals at quiet destinations. The advanced air suspension ensures a ride that feels like gliding on air, absorbing every bump and vibration before it reaches the cabin. Range anxiety is not an issue, thanks to the extended fuel tank and a large capacity battery pack that offers over 200 miles of electric-only range. Solar panels integrated into the roof help recharge the battery during the day, providing sustainable energy for onboard systems. The motorhome also comes equipped with fast charging capabilities, allowing it to recharge at high voltage stations in under an hour. Safety, as expected from Mercedes, is paramount. The motorhome includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and crosswind stabilization. In addition, the Maybach motorhome introduces a unique AI-powered travel assistant that analyzes road and weather conditions, suggesting optimal routes, and even adjusting cabin settings to ensure passengers remain comfortable throughout the journey. Customization is at the heart of this masterpiece. Buyers can personalize nearly every detail, from exterior paint finishes to interior trims, upholstery, lighting schemes, and even the layout of the living spaces. Exclusive Maybach design studios work directly with clients to create truly one-of-a-kind builds, ensuring no two motorhomes are exactly alike. For those seeking something truly extravagant, optional features include a rooftop terrace with retractable awning, a deployable outdoor kitchen, or even a compact garage bay for carrying a luxury sports car or motorcycle. In terms of connectivity, the motorhome functions as a rolling smart home. 5G connectivity ensures streaming, gaming, and video conferencing on the move. The integrated AI system can sync with your smart devices, adjusting lighting, temperature, or even ordering supplies to your next stop. Voice control is standard, allowing passengers to manage virtually every function without lifting a finger. When it comes to price, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach motorhome is not meant for the average buyer. Starting at several $1,000,000, it is a vehicle targeted at the elite who desire the ultimate blend of mobility and opulence. But for those who can afford it, it represents something unmatched: the freedom to explore the world while carrying the essence of Maybach luxury with them. Imagine arriving at a seaside cliff, pressing a button to extend the hydraulic stabilizers, opening the panoramic windows to reveal the ocean, sipping wine from your climate-controlled cellar, and reclining in a Maybach leather seat while watching the sunset. That is the experience this motorhome promises, a lifestyle where travel is not a compromise but an extension of luxury living. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach motorhome sets a new benchmark, not just for motorhomes, but for luxury vehicles in general. It redefines what it means to journey, offering a rolling sanctuary where technology, craftsmanship, and innovation merge seamlessly. This is not simply transportation, it is the ultimate expression of status, freedom, and comfort. Thank you for joining Auto Elite as we explored this extraordinary creation, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach motorhome. Stay tuned for more automotive masterpieces that continue to push the boundaries of design and engineering.